All right, we are going to be working on lesson 4-2 today.
You can model repeated addition with an array. Look at the array. Arrays have equal rows. Does the array have equal amounts in each row? Yes. How do you know? Each row has 3 strawberries. Arrays have equal amounts in each row. Once you know how many rows there are and how many in each row, you can write the addition sentence. What addition sentence is shown by this array? The addition sentence is 3 plus 3 equals 6. There are 6.
All right, that was a short lesson. Let's go ahead and do our reteaching. A collection of objects arranged in equal rows and columns is an array. You can use an array to show equal groups. Circle each row, count the number of rows. There are 4 rows. Count the number of dots in each row. There are 3 dots in each row. Write the addition sentence. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 12. Okay, so let's look at the dots. They're counting this as rows. So there are 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. Think of like when you're rowing a boat, it's going to go across. So there's 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, 4 here. And then in each row, imagine that there are 3 boats. There are 3 boats here, 3 here, 3 here, and 3 here. So you're going to add them up. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 12. You can either add them all up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, or you can skip count. 3, 6, 9, 12. So let's go ahead and try these. Circle each row. Count the number of rows, count the number of dots in each row, write the addition sentence. There are blank rows, there are blank dots in each row. So how many rows do we see? Row, row, row your boat. We're going across. So how many rows do you see?
3.
Very good. And then how many dots, how many boats are in each row?
5.
5.
Oops, 5. So we're going to add up the number 5 3 times. What is 5 plus 5 plus 5?
15.
There are blank rows, there are blank dots in each row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I already gave you the answer. There are 5 rows. Okay, now how many dots are in each row?
5.
5. 5.
So then let's skip count because we all should know how to skip count by 5s. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. What is 5 times 5 or 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5?
25.
25. Write that down, guys. I'm going to give you guys a few minutes. Let me know that you're done by typing done in the chat. All right, I'm going to move on in 30 seconds. All right, let's move on. All right, let's work on the next page, practice. Write the addition sentence. So you start with the row, and then how many boats are in each row. So we have 2 rows, and there are 3 boats in each row. So you're going to do 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 equals 6. What I want you guys to do is I'm going to give you guys a few minutes to work on these on your own, and then we're going to go over the answers. So go ahead, and I'm going to give you guys 2 minutes to try to answer questions 2 through 6. Go ahead. Let me know if you're finished by saying done. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Question number 2. How many rows are there? Let's start with that. How many rows are there?
3.
3. And then how many boats are in each row?
4.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to add 4 plus 4 plus 4. Now you can add up all the boats, or you can skip count. What is 4 plus 4 plus 4? You could do 4, 8,
12.
12. Okay, number 3. How many rows are there?
2.
There are 2 rows, and how many boats are in each row?
5.
5. So you're going to do 5 plus
10.
5. What is 5 plus 5, boys and girls?
10. 10.
Next one, number 4. How many rows are there?
3.
3. So that's why we have 3 lines here. And then how many boats are in each row?
3.
Okay, let's skip count by 3s 3 times. What is 3 plus 3 plus 3?
9.
3, 6, 9. All right, Mrs. Rose takes cookies out of the oven. There are 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there are 5 cookies in each row, which means that there are 5 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which addition sentence shows how many cookies there are in all? So
C.
you're going to do 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. So which one is correct?
C. D.
Ooh, D has too many rows. D has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but we only want 4 rows. So the only one that has 4 rows is C. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you also counted the cookies, you would see that there are 20 cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Spatial thinking, draw an array with 2 rows and 4 columns. So 2 rows, I'm going to just draw this in half so I can see the rows. So this is my 2 rows. And then we want 4 columns, which means we want 4 boats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how would we write this number sentence?
4 plus 4 is 8.
Very good, Kayla. 4 plus 4 equals 8. All right, go ahead and give you guys 1 more minute. Let me know if you guys have questions.
I'm done.
Perfect, guys. Once you're done, we are going to move on to your digital quick check. And then you guys are going to work on your digital quick check on your own. Oopsies. Okay, if you guys have questions on that, I can answer them in the chat. I'm going to assign your digital quick check right now. And then don't forget, okay, after you do your digital quick check, you need to complete any incomplete work. Yes, we come back at 10:15, Eva. So you have to complete any missing work. So let's see. If your name is here, then you have missing work here. And then if you have your writing to complete still, you need to make sure you complete your writing test. All right. Your writing test will be graded this
What if we
weekend.
pass 10:15?
What?
So now we're gonna come back at
What time do you come back? Well, today you guys have art at 12:30. So if you have everything completed and you have no missing work, then you're free to head off. And then at 12:30, you're going to come back for our art lesson.
Miss Park,
Yes.